So there we go. I hope everything's alright. Here's our supplies. Let's get this now, Milo. Don't want to be forgetting that anyway. I hope you're going to be a bit, well, better behaved today, Milo, than yesterday. Milo, stop. Stop. Come here. Come here. Milo, come here. Hey. Come here. Milo, come here. Milo, come here, boy. Milo, stop. Stop. Stop, Milo. Come here. Milo, come here, boy. Milo, come here. I wish you'd be good, like other dogs. Hey. So today, we're just on a little moochie bottle here. Take some pictures. Brought Milo with me again. He doesn't get me annoyed, this dog. Look at him, he just doesn't. Milo, come here, boy. Let me... Milo. And he pulls on the lead so hard. He really does. I know he's just a dog and that's what dogs do, but this one, honestly, if you ever... Milo, come here. It even actually says it on the website. If you're going to get a dog and you've never had a Jacoby before, or you've never had a dog before, do not get a Jacoby as your first dog. Because I tell you now, they've off their heads. So yeah, got me a cup of morning coffee. Milo, come here. Milo, what's that? And I just thought, Milo, come over here. Why not go out with Milo, get some pictures? I've never known a dog to be so strong. Milo, come over here, this way. Milo, come over here. No, oh, yeah. Please come this way, boy. So yeah, wait, come here. Stop, sit, Milo. Can I get one picture of you just for the family album? Milo.
2 hours later.
So yeah, decided to look at him. Oh, as I was saying, we're back at the canal, side of the canal. Now, how is this a public footpath? I'd love to know. Milo, don't you dare go near there. Last time, middle of winter, Milo runs and does a Superman jump, lands in the water, and instead of coming back to land, decides the closest thing is an island that was right in the middle. Come here, boy. So he swims out to that and he stands there. Now I'm trying to get him his attention to come back to me. He's not having none of it. I put trees down, everything down to get him to come to me. But nope. In the end, I had to go into the water in the middle of winter to retrieve him. How is this a public footpath? Honest to gosh. Milo, come here. That is nice though, isn't it? Hey? Stop. Milo, please come here. Milo, come here now. Honest to God, come here, it's getting unsafe. Come here. Come here, boy. Milo! You see, he pulls me and I fall over and I'm fucked. Come here now. Come here. A chop shot that. This way, come on. Whippy. Wow, look at that. Beautiful, that, isn't it? You don't mind me taking a picture of that, do you, there, darling? That beautiful, like, birdhouse thing. Yeah, you don't mind if I take a picture of you? Cheers. Never seen one like that before. It's like a mansion one, isn't it? Yeah, it's beautiful. Hey. Oh, yeah. Are they whippets?
Yeah.
Oh, they're beautiful. Hey.
It's nice to see them socialise. A lot of folk just pick the dogs up and stuff along.
Yeah, well, I can normally tell with him, he'd more scared him. He'll never do anything. He's only one. But,
oh, is he?
yeah.
These are youngsters as well.
Yeah. But I was going to get him another dog because they got rid of him at 6 weeks old, and they lied to us and said he was 12 weeks old. And we knew straight away, and he said, I said, come we not stay with his mum for another couple of weeks, we'll pay you now. And he said no, and I found out it was like a dog farm.
Right.
So I had to feed him goat milk for a couple of weeks and that, but he's alright now. I'm just trying to get him used.
I don't know that lot, doesn't it?
Pardon?
And,
Oh yeah. Yeah. They're so fast, these dogs, aren't they? But whippets. That grey one, they're both nice, but that grey one's so beautiful. Come on then. Come on. See you later, love.
See you later.
Come on, you. Don't worry, Milo. It's not going to work, yeah? Do you want to play in? He runs up to him dead hard like he wants to play, and as soon as they come near him, he always start. Don't know what to do. Look at him. Oh. Yeah. Got to get used to him, Milo. Beautiful, aren't hey? Oh. Come on, Milo. See you later, love. Oh, there's a cat there as well. Look at the little cat. He's even scared of cats, bless him. Come on, you. Good, Milo, come on. Good boy, Milo. Come on, Milo. Flipping out, look at this place. Milo. Oh my God, love your dog. Kinda. Come on, Milo. I'll get your dog, love. Milo. Milo. Who is it? He don't know what to do, bless him. Who is it, Milo? Milo, come on, boy. Come on, Milo. Good boy. Say bye. Say bye. Hey, is it closed down that place, lads? You know?
This one here?
No, that bit here.
I think they both have.
Have they?
Yeah.
Do you reckon I went in there taking some pictures? I get
500
shit.
plants in there, 500 plants in there.
You're joking,
Yeah.
man. Fuck off.
Fucker.
Oh, no
And I mean
way.
like the biggest sophisticated grow you've ever seen in your life, bro.
Wow.
The biggest.
What's that there? Where's the other one?
These two here are full of bud. But
What?
there's no bud now, there's just
Yeah,
stems.
yeah. Oh
So
my
we're
God.
just,
I
we're
just
just
took-
fucking...
They took all the lighting on all that out. Yeah, they would have done, wouldn't they?
Yeah. They smash them all to bits. Put them in there for now.
Bloody hell.
So the Suzuki carry Tom, I'm just going to put a battery on it.
Can you get into her, do you know?
You can and you can. You can and you can't.
What, you mean you can, like, if you're willing to climb in the fucking roof or something? Yeah.
But you do what you want, because all the police have... Everyone's locked up who owns all these.
Right, so I'll be alright in there, yeah.
Locked up.
Alright, safe, lads, yeah. See you in a bit, lads. Come here, Milo. Come on. Come back. So, apparently so, the biggest drug yard. Hello? Come here. Look at the size of the place. Wow. Exploring. Really exploring. Mark, come here. Place been trashed, hasn't it? Come here, this way. No, come here. Milo. Milo, no, get here! Naughty boy! Oh, there's someone's climbed over. Get here, Milo, I mean it. You drink out of any of them and we're going to fall out, me and you. Right, well, this can't be shut down, this. I can smell paint in it. No, this ain't closed down, this. I think we're going to have to go. There's no way that this is developed. No way. I mean, why would it be developed? Milo, please, you dare boy. Come on, we're going. Come on, Milo. Wow. I mean, look at the place. Come on, boy, this way. Milo, come on. I need to get the dog out of here. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Come on, this way, come on. This is amazing. Milo, come here. Come here. Come here. There's no way this place is closed down. Marlo, come on. Trying to tell me that it is though. Marlo, come here. Marlo, come here, please don't go into that. Marlo. Come here. Get Marlo. Oh, look at the state here. Marlo, come here. I don't even know how deep that is, mate. Marlo, come here. Whoa. Marlo, look at the state of you, dog. Wow. Oh yeah, so apparently, as you've just heard, I don't know if there's any truth to it, but apparently it was a big drug raid and this place was all locked down. Come here, Marlo. But I don't know. If there's any truth in any of that, I ain't got a clue. I really don't know. Come here, boy. Come here, Marlo. Now the amount of wood is just astronomical. Why would it all be just put to waste? I just don't get it. Unless you make pallets here. But yeah, apparently. Marlo, come here. Apparently the owners are all in jail now. Or so I've been told. Apparently the owners are all in jail now. Or so I've been told. Yeah, so I've been told anyway. Oi! Well, obviously it ain't. Nice shade of that. I just seen a dog in there and I'm not happy about that. In fact, I'm going to report that to the police. Marlo, come on. Get you out of there. This way. Come on, Marlo. Marlo, come on, mate. This way. Oh, what am I even doing here? You know what? Oh, the state of the dog. It ain't even funny. Come by. Marlo, this way. Marlo, oh, Marlo, what are you doing? Walk up the... No. Marlo, walk on this. Come here, boy. Wow. So, yeah. Interesting, eh? Marlo, come here. Please be careful on here. Oh, Marlo. Wow. Good boy. Coming up. Marlo, come here. Good boy. Ah, fucking hell. Marlo, come here. Marlo, come here. Smell it. Disgusting. Hanging. Come here. Marlo, look at the state of you, boy. Come here this way. Look at my dog. Marlo, come here. Wow, look at that. I'm going to walk round the back and see what's round there. No, Marlo, he'll fucking eat you, him. He will eat you. Bloody monster, him. Fucking hell. What do you feed him? Steak. Wow. He's beautiful. Come on, you. Look at the state here, Marlo. Come on. Wow, look at it around there, eh? What is it? Hey, look at the state of you, Bilo.